Hello guys, today we're going to follow my father. He's going to take some woods to use for cooking, because normally here in our place we use woods or charcoal for the daily cooking. Some people using gas, but mostly people, they prefer the woods or some tree branches dry like that. So let's go, and that's my tatay. Okay, he will take some dry branches of trees. I'm not sure what else, but let's see, let's find out. Anong kukunin niya? Saan ko ha? There's a lot of trees in here. Anong puno nga ito, tatay? Anong puno nga ito?
Mahogany.
Mahogany. This is mahogany tree.
Kawad yan, yan.
Ba't may kawad? Kaninong lupa yan? We're gonna pick some dry like this. Kinda same like this, but yeah. Let's take. It's kinda slippery in here. Nasaan na kayo? Saan? There's a lot of banana tree here. Banana tree and coconut tree. Now, this is taro. Taro plant. Ay, mainit. Yan. We will collect these dry tree branches. Ito, tatay. Like this. This one. Nasaan yung kinuha niya na ito? Like this. Then we will cut. We're in the middle of the jungle. The jungle. Akin na, lalagay ko din eh. Hanggang doon kayo? Ay, dinin lang ako.
Oo, dyan ka na lang.
Madulas yung dahon.
Dyan ka na lang.
There's a lot of dry leaves in here. Ba't hindi ito yung putulin nyo? Dandahan. Because of the dry leaves is so slippery. So, I'll stay a little bit. That I will take that part. He's cutting the small branches like that. Actually, in this place, some people prefer to cook using this dry branches or dry woods. It's easy. Some people, they're using gas or charcoal. So we have that kind of option. But in my place, Nowadays, they prefer these woods since we have a lot in here. This dry leaves kind of slippery, so I cannot go there. We will cut into small pieces, like not too much small, just like enough pieces, enough size. Something like that. Anong puno yan? Mahogany? Mahogany? That is a branch of mahogany tree. So we got this much. Eh kung sinako, eh di mabilis.
Ay, mahirap magbaba doon. Ay, bubulas pa.
Transfer inside. Now we have enough this one. I think this one it will last like in a few days. This is the place where we cook. You have to take small pieces so that we can make anong pinagdidikit nyo din para magkaapoy? Anong ginagamit din ni tatay? Hus? Paano rin magkakaapoy? Gas?
Adi, hindi.
Ano? Nay, ano pinagdidikit nyo din eh? Para magkaapoy. Aari. Hose. Sisindi kaya yun? Ito na yun. Naubos na yung posporo.
Nagkabit ako ng tubig.
Kaya yan? Wala, namatay na.
Namatay. Nagkabit ako ng tubig. Kasi sa iban?
Sa mga tito dayo. So this is like a hose. They cut it into like this so that we can put a fire. Mamamatay.
Hindi.
Ay, may tubig.
Mahina. Tuloy na.
May nakatumbang puno.
Ay, ayun yung nilagari.
Sino naglagari?
Yung ginamit ni Sid sa bahay.
Ginamit ni?
Si Sid? Hindi kasi si Sid nagpagawa ng bahay.
Bakit doon kumuha ng
Kanila yan, ari. Din eh. So, may nagpagalagarin bago?